Hi everyone, I'm Sarah, a product manager here at Lumen5. I want to show you one of our latest releases. It completely elevates the look and feel of your videos. We call it animated captions. Adding to any video with a voice, this new feature gives you a brand new way to display your captions. Not only does it move visually, it also moves your audience. Animated captions can be used for any voice-driven video. Whether it's for content marketing, education, advertising, or sales, these captions are a new way to connect with your audience in a fun, engaging way. It's easy to incorporate animated captions in your video. You can create your script in Script Composer using any of our new ways to make video, or upload your own talking head or voiceover clips. You'll be taken to the Lumen5 editor, and the magic of animated captions begins. The best part is, our AI is able to create perfectly timed captions on its own. Our recommendation system will suggest which scenes of your video will be best suited for animated captions. We'll also automatically update the caption timing if you make edits to the transcript. It takes the workload off you, saving you a lot of time. With more customizable design options in Lumen5, you can create a video with an upscale production quality without having to outsource to an agency. Instead of standing still, waiting for new text to appear, there will always be something on screen that demands your viewers' attention. This new method of displaying captions will hold your audience's attention from beginning to end, allowing your team to create videos that stand out in all the video noise. Take your storytelling to a whole new level with animated captions, completely changing the fluidity of your video. Give it a go to see the difference it makes to your videos.